It's a new year, let's ignite the vibe. Fireworks is blazing, watch the sky come alive. Raise your hand high, let the energy flow. 2025 is here. Let the magic show, stepping into the scene. The future is a bright, the castle in the backdrop. A firework is taking a flight and golden on my coat, yeah. The drip is supreme, 2025. Living out the dream, light is so electric. Crowd is going wild, united in the air. Every face has a smile, phoenix in the sky. Dragon made of light, a world reborn in this new exit. A new year night, it's a new year. Let's ignite the vibe. A firework is blazing, watch the sky come alive. Raise your hand up high, let the energy flow. 2025 is here, let the magic show. People from all the nation, dancing as one, neon light is flashing, yeah. The party just begun, DJ spinning a beat. Got the world in trance, glitter raining down. This is more than a dance, the kids with the sparkle, elders cheering loud, hope in every heartbeat. Love it in the crowd, every step is forward. Here's the brighter tomorrow, leaving the pain behind. And no more sorrow, it's a new year. Watch the sky come alive, raise your hand up high, let the energy flow. 2025 is here, let the magic show. The countdown is a drop, we're ready to soar. The midnight striking, open the future door. Revolution in the air, dreams are taking a flight. A celebration of a love on this magical night. Raise the toast and let the joy overflow. A new year magic, let the good time grow. Here's to the future, here's to the glow. 2025, let the world know.
The grand ballroom of the castle buzzed with excitement. Laughter echoed off the high-vaulted ceilings. Garlands of twinkling lights adorned every surface. A magnificent ice sculpture, sparkling under the chandeliers, took center stage. Robert, a kind-faced man with twinkling blue eyes and a warm smile, surveyed the scene with quiet joy. His silver hair caught the light as he moved through the crowd, greeting friends and strangers alike. He wore a simple but elegant suit, a single red rose pinned to his lapel. A diverse group of people filled the ballroom, their faces lit with anticipation. Children with sparkling eyes chased each other through the crowd, their laughter ringing out. Musicians played lively tunes, their melodies weaving through the air, inviting guests to dance. A group of children, dressed as fairies and knights, performed a charming play, their faces glowing with enthusiasm. As the clock neared midnight, Robert took his place on the raised platform. The crowd fell silent, their eyes fixed on him with expectation. He smiled, his gaze encompassing everyone in the room. "Welcome, friends," Robert began, his voice warm and resonant. "Tonight we celebrate not just the end of a year, but the beginning of a new one. A chance for a fresh start, for new dreams, for renewed hope." His words echoed through the silent hall. "Let us carry the spirit of unity, of kindness, of love into this new year. Let us make it a year filled with joy, laughter, and compassion." A hush fell over the crowd as the final seconds of the old year ticked away. Everyone raised their glasses, their eyes fixed on the large clock that adorned the far wall. The atmosphere crackled with anticipation. 10! Robert's voice rang out clear and strong. 9, 8, 7! The crowd joined in, their voices growing louder with each passing second. The air vibrated with excitement. "Happy New Year!" The words erupted from hundreds of throats as the clock struck 12. Confetti rained down from the ceiling, showering the joyous crowd in a cascade of color. Music swelled, filling the ballroom with its vibrant rhythm. Later, as the celebration continued, Robert found himself surrounded by a group of children. "What makes the New Year truly magical, sir?" asked a little girl with bright, curious eyes. Robert smiled. "It's not just the fireworks or the celebrations," he said gently. "It's the magic we carry within us, the kindness we show, the love we share, the hope we hold in our hearts. That is the true magic of the new year." The children, their faces filled with wonder, looked at each other. They understood. The new year was a blank page, a chance to create something wonderful, and they, with their open hearts and boundless energy, were ready to fill it with magic.
It's a new year, let's ignite the vibe. Fireworks is blazing, watch the sky come alive. Raise your hand high, let the energy flow. 2025 is here. Let the magic show, stepping into the scene. The future is a bright, the castle in the backdrop. A firework is taking a flight and golden on my coat, yeah. The drip is a 2025. Living out the dream.